Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí. Hello everyone, welcome to ispeakyoruba2.com. This is your one-stop place for everything Yoruba language. Thank you for learning Yoruba language with I Speak Yoruba Too. Welcome everyone. My name is Eniola and you're listening to I Speak Yoruba Too. So in this lesson, you will learn how to say to, also, as well, and it is very easy. How to say also, to, and as well in Yoruba. It's just one word. And the word is no. 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 And that's it. Simple, isn't it? Well, that's how you say it. And okay, that's all the lesson for today. Yeah, just kidding. Okay, it is good to know how to say it, but it's even better if you know how to use it, isn't it? So, how do we use no in Yoruba sentences? To have a better understanding of how to use no in Yoruba sentences, let's look at how also, to, and as well are used in English. Also, to, and as well modify different things in an English sentence. Take a look at these sample sentences. I wanted to. She slept as well. I also read. These are different ways these words can be used in English. But if you notice the last sentence, also here modifies the pronoun. I also read. You read, she read, everybody read, and I also read. In Yoruba, it will be Èmi náà kàwé. Èmi náà kàwé. This usage is what we'll be focusing on in this lesson. No is often used to modify a noun or pronoun in a sentence. It always comes after a noun or pronoun. Let's look at some words. Èmi, èmi, èmi. Èmi can mean I or me, depending on how it's used in a sentence. Èmi náà. Èmi náà. Èmi náà means me too, me also, me as well, or I also, I too, I as well. Did you notice that náà came after the pronoun I, which is èmi? Èmi náà. Look at this example. Èmi náà fẹ́ sùn. Èmi náà fẹ́ sùn. Èmi náà fẹ́ sùn. I also want to sleep. It can also be translated as I want to sleep as well, or I want to sleep too. However this is said, the focus of the sentence is the pronoun I, who wants to do what everyone else is doing. So she's sleeping, he is sleeping, I also want to sleep. Èmi náà fẹ́ sùn. Let's look at some more sample sentences. Ọmọléèwé, ọmọ ilé ìwé. Ọmọléèwé means student. Ọmọléèwé ni Ṣadé. Ọmọléèwé ni Ṣadé. Ṣadé is a student. Ọmọléèwé náà ni Ṣadé. Ọmọ ilé-ìwé náà ni Ṣadé. Ọmọléèwé náà ni Ṣadé. Ṣadé is a student too. So here we're saying everybody is a student, but Ṣadé as well is a student, or Ṣadé too is a student. Ọmọléèwé náà ni Ṣadé. Ṣadé is also a student, or Ṣadé is a student too. Mo ra eléyìí. Mo ra eléyìí. Mo ra eléyìí. I bought this. Mo ra eléyìí náà. Mo ra eléyìí náà. I bought this too. So here you're saying you've bought a lot of things, but you bought this one as well. Mo ra eléyìí náà. I bought this too. Ó sáré. Ó sáré means she ran. Òun náà sáré. Òun náà sáré. She also ran. Did you notice the difference between the pronoun ó and òun? When ó is used together with náà, it changes to òun. Ó is actually the short form of òun. Òun means he, she, or it. Okay, take note of that. So when you use náà with ó pronoun, you need to use the form òun. Òun. Òun náà sáré. She also ran. You cannot say ó náà sáré. That would be wrong. Ó náà sáré. It's not the right way to use it. It has to be òun náà sáré. Okay? She also ran. The meaning of a sentence can change sometimes depending on what náà is modifying. So like this sentence, èmi náà ṣiṣẹ́ lánàá. Èmi náà ṣiṣẹ́ lánàá. Èmi náà ṣiṣẹ́ lánàá means I also worked yesterday. Ṣiṣẹ́ means to work and àná means yesterday. Èmi náà ṣiṣẹ́ lánàá. The point of emphasis here is èmi, which is I. So all of my colleagues worked yesterday, but I also worked yesterday. If náà is placed after àná, it will be mo ṣiṣẹ́ lánàá náà. Mo ṣiṣẹ́ lánàá náà, which means I worked yesterday too. Now, the point of emphasis is on the day you worked, which is yesterday. It is no longer on I. So you worked 2 days ago, you worked 3 days ago, and as well worked yesterday. Did you understand the difference? It seems a little complicated, but it really isn't. With more usage, you will get to understand it better. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ fún èmi náà ní omi. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ fún èmi náà ní omi. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ fún èmi náà lómi. Please give water to me also. Again, the emphasis here is on me. You gave my friends water, please give me as well. But if you said, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ fún mi ní omi náà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ fún mi ní omi náà. Now, this will mean, please give me water as well. So perhaps you're at the grocery shop and you bought some biscuit, breadsticks, and then you said, please give me water as well. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ fún mi ní omi náà. Náà also has another meaning in use in Yoruba, and this meaning can be somewhat confusing because náà can also mean the. It is a bit difficult to explain, but I'll try. So say, for instance, you said to your friend, I saw the movie, and you got a response like, what movie? The movie you told me about. The before the movie is what náà means. Kind of like an identifier. You know, when you want to identify something with emphasis, you'll be like, oh, I saw the movie. The movie. Give me the one. Okay? Like when you say, he is the one. I saw the movie will be mo rí fíìmù náà. So it is the film that everyone has been talking about. The film. Fíìmù náà. Mo rí fíìmù náà. I saw the movie. Rí means to see, and fíìmù means film or movie, which is obviously a borrowed word. Film or movie doesn't have a Yoruba translation, so we just use the borrowed form fíìmù. There are quite a lot of borrowed words in Yoruba language from English. Okay, mo rí fíìmù náà. I saw the movie. Èmi náà rí fíìmù náà. Èmi náà rí fíìmù náà. Can you see no being used twice, but the no is actually modifying two different things and is giving two different meanings. Èmi náà rí fíìmù náà. Èmi náà here is I also saw the movie. Everybody saw the movie. I also saw the movie. Èmi náà rí fíìmù náà. Knowing when no means the or also and to can be a little bit confusing. For example, fún mi lówó, fún mi ní owó. Fún mi lówó is give me money. This is simple and straightforward, right? But fún mi ní owó náà. Fún mi ní owó náà. Fún mi lówó náà can be give me the money or give me money as well. Paying attention when having a conversation will help you to determine which meaning of no is being referred to. Okay? It is quite difficult to differentiate, but when you're having a conversation with someone, the conversation will determine which of the meaning of no is being talked about. Is it the or also? All right? Well done, everyone. So, you have learned how to use no with nouns and pronoun. But how do you use it with a verb? That is a different ball game entirely. In the next lesson, we will discuss all about how it works. Okay? Well done, everyone. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́. Ẹ ṣeun tí ẹ gbọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ tèmi. Thank you all so much for listening to this lesson. Check I Speak Yoruba Too YouTube channel for more lessons, and that's it from Eniola today. I'll see you all again soon. Ó dàbọ̀.